Alena Chapman, founder of Soul Manifesto, and I am talking about how to create happiness. Now, the very first thing I want to tell you, and this is a big one, and you may not like it, but boy, it's true. Happiness is a decision. It's not something that happens to you. It is something that you do to make it happen. And it has to be a decision. I can have two people faced with something fun, and one person will say it's really, really fun, and other person will be not really liking it. So there's different levels of happiness. One person is open to the experience, opening to doing. One person is closed down. So when you make a decision to be happy, that's when you can create the things in your life to make you happy. That's when you say to yourself, I'm not going to settle for being not fun, or not happy, not enjoying life, I'm going to change my perception to being in one where I create happiness. And whatever happiness is for you. Happiness for me is, I've talked about it before, that sparkle I like to put in life. A little bit of bling, a little bit of nature, a little bit of fun. Sparkle, I mean, anything that makes me kind of smile. The sparkle's my smile. It doesn't have to be a sparkly substance. It's me smiling, happy. So it's me driving out to nature, or going to my sacred spot that I just love and adore. And while I go out there, maybe I get myself a Diet Coke, one of my wonderful favorite things, because this is my day. And my spirit lightens. I look up at the sky. I allow, another key word, I allow myself to open my eyes to the beautiful sky. And I allow myself to say, oh, that is so gorgeous. Thank you, God. I always feel a big connection when I look at the sky. So I allow myself to open to the things that make me happy because I have decided to be happy. It's very big. I could be on a drive. I've heard of people going on a drive and they say, oh, it was all right. Oh my gosh. Make it happy. Put on that music, put on that podcast, look up, get your whatever. If you don't like Diet Coke or you like water, that's wonderful. Get your water, make it icy, make it fun, put some lemon in it, whatever you like. Do things that make you happy. And when you decide to be happy, you settle for nothing less. Mr. Bob Proctor was a mentor of mine. I've had two really big mentors. I've had Dr. Wayne Dyer and Bob Proctor. They're my two biggest. There's other along the way, but these were the two. And I remember him saying one time, once you make a decision, this is a whole nother thing, but we're getting on the happiness. You don't turn around. You make your decisions quick and you stick to them. It's like that with happiness. You make yourself happy. You say, I want to be happy, and then you stick to it. That's the will. The will is a gift of the Spirit, but you have to enact it. So give this a shot. I'll tell you the benefits of it. Oh my gosh. Every day's an adventure. You find that you laugh. You laugh with people. I laugh so much during the day. How many of you laugh where you can't even count? How many of you enjoy other people all the time? How many of you open yourself up to just every little experience and just enjoy it? That's what brings the pleasures in life. So let's begin. And you just really vibrate. And it also creates a little bit of spontaneity too. And I like spontaneity. So decide to be happiness. You are the creator in your life. You are the captain of your ship. You are the person in control of who you are, where you want to be, where you want your life to go. So if you want to be happy, Do it. Start today. I'm Alena Chapman, and as you know, spirit is love, and love brings happiness too. And when you have love, you are with spirit. Namaste, my friends. Thanks for watching. Don't miss out on a single thing. Subscribe below. And here's something else I think you'll enjoy. Namaste.